So Abdul, how's our room?
This room is beautiful. It's a one-bedroom suite. It's amazing, wonderful. This used to be office in the 1980s, and it's converted to the hotel. Beautiful.
Wow.
I really enjoy it.
Awesome. Thank you. Let's get to the bedroom. All right, guys, so it's amazing. Now check out these floor to ceiling. The high ceilings are amazing.
All right, everyone, let's take a walk over here. I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you another part of the room. It's very nice. They got these high drapes. Oh wow. Different section of the room where they give you a little study area. More antique-ish looking, but it's definitely solid.
Here at the Waldorf Astoria. Thank you. We are here, guys. We are going to check out our room.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
We're excited.
We're excited.
This is a good time.
It's a good time. And Mr. G put all this together. No credit for me. G is on fire. Yeah. He's breathing fire.
Yeah, this room is nice. This room is hot.
It's
popping.
It's popping. Mr. G did all this, so let's go check out Mr. G's pick. So this was the old post office, okay? This Waldorf Astoria in DC is the old post office. Let me just tell you a little history. Built in 1869, okay? And so right now, this is a newly renovated Waldorf Astoria in the city. It's really downtown of DC, okay? It's closer to the Capitol, it's closer to the White House, it's closer to the monument. I mean, it's just closer to everything. So guys, let's dive in. There's our stuff right here. We got it right now. So Abdul, how's our room?
This room is beautiful. It's a one-bedroom suite. It's amazing, wonderful. This used to be office in the 1980s, and it's converted to the hotel. Beautiful room.
Wow.
I really enjoy it.
Awesome. Thank you. Yes. Look at my family already in here. Oh, guys, look at the chandelier, my favorite. Chandelier. So we are here about to get into our room. Are you guys ready to see that? Are you guys ready to see our room?
Yes.
Oh, I am ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, guys, so come check out this bathroom once you get here. Come and check out this bathroom. Yes. Look at this bathroom, y'all. This here Look at the marble, guys. The marble floor, everything is amazing. So on point. So on point. And look at that. I'm already in there. Hey guys. Hey, Mr. G's right there.
What's up, everyone?
We love this. Look at this. It has double vanity, okay? And everything comes with it. It has the towels, of course. It has the marble top, vanity. Look at the gold rims. It's pretty, it's beautiful. And of course it has these little drawers that most of the time you don't see in other hotels. Of course it comes with your refreshing mouthwash. It comes with the other, you know, of course your hair dryer in there. And the bottom is free for you to keep whatever you want there. And of course it has a scale. Oh my gosh. You have to be checking your weight in this? No, I'm sorry. I will not be coming to stay here at the Waldorf Astoria and be checking my body weight, okay? Not necessary at this time. And then the toilet is right here. It's gorgeous, guys. I love the black marble. I think that's gonna be something that I'm gonna steal from here. And of course, this mini little chandelier.
So guys, time to do the living room. Woo! So, first of all, over here, we already got ourselves situated over here as you can see. But we first have a coffee machine and we have some condiments and they're completely complimentary. So you can have as much as you want. You ask them, they'll get you more. And over here, we have some like stuff for my mom and dad, like, you know, like wine and all that stuff. Now we have some cute little plates and their own spoons. Look how cute these spoons are, guys. They're so little and it's just so, I don't know, it's just good. And they'll pull out, so you can pull them out. And over here, we have their little cups, and I think this is for the coffee. And guys, now over here we have a little mini fridge with all your drinks and everything, but those are not complimentary. But you guys can still have them if you want to pay for it. I don't know. But yeah, those are full of drinks, so that's that spot, like the drink spot, you know. And over here we have the living room. We have a cute like chair. It's kind of metallic. It's metallic color, I think. We have these couches and pillows. I like the design of the pillow. Flowers, I think. And the same metallic couch over here. And we have a big screen TV right over here. And guys, so we have a chandelier. And so I love the chandelier. It's so sparkly. It looks sparkly to me, and it has a lot of diamonds on it, so it's really pretty.
Tell me something I haven't heard before. 'Cause I'm restless and I'm dying to know more. Show me something I haven't seen before. 'Cause I'm tired of the same boats, the same shore.
Alright guys, so now I know the bedroom is super amazing. So check out these drawers. Check out the TV. I'm sure if I turn it on, it's gonna say our name on it. We've already seen that in the living room. So check this out. Good evening, Mr. G. Okay, so we have that, and then we have, guys, these drawers are enormous. So much drawers. And look at this. Look at this. This comes with it, okay? It's already here. This looks like a bedroom meant for a king and a queen, just like we are, okay? Mr. G is the king, and I am the queen. Look at this bedding, y'all. Look at this bedding. Look at this bedding. I can't wait to get in here tonight and look at this. I mean, the pillow. When you touch the pillow, it's like, oh, It feels so soft, like I have never, I mean, it's just awesome. This is good. This is good. I love this. The chandelier is amazing. By the way, did we mention that this place was a post office? It was an old post office and it became this, okay? And they renovated it, built in 1868, I believe. Hey, don't quote me on that, but I know it was a long time ago. Okay, so come on in here, check out the chandelier, check out the light. Each of the bed, the side of the bed has a lamp. This one has a lamp. We do have, you know, our drawers, of course, right here. And my husband already picked his side, but you know, we're gonna change that. And then we have the closet. All right, there's a closet right here. It has one robe. Nope. They're gonna bring multiple robes because we love our robes. They may be on the other side, but my kids have to have robes too, right? So we do have, this place has 2 bathrooms, okay? And up here, right, this thing here, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a shoe kit. A shoe kit. This one you use it to brush your shoes. A shoe brush. That is pretty neat. That's pretty cool. And this is what? The shoe stuff. Wow. This is for Mr. G. This is pretty cool. All right. You only get this in high-end hotels. All right. Let's put it back up there. It has the hangers and where we're gonna. Oh, and it has your slippers. The Waldorf Astoria. It has the slippers on there that I'm gonna be using. That we're gonna be using. So this is what it is. We are gonna be putting that on. Looks comfortable. All right, and so let's go and show you some more. Now this room is so big. This room is super big. There's more though. It's not done. There's more. Let's go check out the bathroom.
What's up? What's up? Here we are. We are at the bathroom. We're gonna kind of come on in here so I can just show you a little bit of the high-end luxury bathroom setup this is. We got this marble top. We got this gold finish, making it look all rich. It's double vanity, 2 mirrors for each individual. And we got over here our stand-up shower, which is, I'm gonna step on through. It gives you your shampoo, conditioner, and some body cleanser. Also, our 2 shower heads, again, more gold finish, all marbled out, looking great. I'm sure it's gonna feel good too tomorrow. All right, or even tonight.
And the bathtub is right there.
With again, more gold finish, nice decorated walls all over.
Have drawers, 3 of them. There's some mouthwash in the first drawer here, so that's interesting. You need it. And then next, there is a hair dryer.
And what's in here? Oh, it's empty. But they set you up pretty nice. And they got some other things in here that you can do with the Q-tips and stuff like that.
There's another soap, so there's 2 soaps. And when you're brushing your teeth, of course, you have to wash your mouth out. So they have 2 glasses here. And they have a little, like, thing that holds all your stuff. And they have the sink, of course, because it's a bathroom. And then they have the tissues and some towels.
I know my wife mentioned just a moment ago that there was just one. Well, here's the other one. The other bathrobe sitting behind the door. All right, let's get out of here. All right, everyone, let's take a walk over here. I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you another part of the room. It's very nice. They got these high drapes, which is elegant. I love it. So let me open this up. Oh wow. Wow, this is beautiful. More chandelier. A different section of the room where they give you a little study area. More antiquish looking, but it's definitely solid. I sat in it myself. It's very solid, very nice desk. They upgraded it with some ports where you can just power up your device. They give you a beautiful surround view of the city with each of these bay windows, so you can look out as you go through your day. And I thought I can sit down and demonstrate what this looks like. Oh yeah, I got it. Don't worry, I'm gonna make that million tomorrow for you. You're good. All right, everybody, I just made $1 million for my business partner. All right, here we go. Looking good, feeling good. This is it, man. Always gotta feel good. This is what it's about. Definitely. All right.